Hi, August. I have a story to read for you, so let's get started right away. Hope you're good. The dump truck. D is for dump truck, a construction alphabet. Oop. D is for dump truck. A is for alarm. Alarm goes off. Hip, hip, hooray, the wait is over. Today's the day. Round up equipment and the crew. There's construction work to do. B is for bulldozer. Bulldozer is tough. His work is hard. Huffing and puffing across the yard, leveling land and clearing bushes, moving dirt, he pushes. C is for cut. Cut the lumber for the floors, plywood sheets and 4x4s, sawdust on my shoes and clothes, in my hair and nose. D is for dump truck. Dump truck delivers a load of sand. We need to have a lot on hand. He backs up with a load piled deep. Reverse horn blares. Beep, beep, beep. E is for eyeglasses. Eyeglasses are a construction must to protect our eyes from flying dust. Safety first is always the key. We need our eyes to see. F is for front end loader. Front end loader moves a pile. Shoveling by hand would take a while. Lower the bucket, come in swift, raise the arm, lift. G is for grab. Grab a hard hat, the foreman says. We need protection for our heads. Falling tools leave nasty lumps. Oops, look out. Bump. H is for hammer. Hammer and nails. You are strong. With you, our project won't take long. The right tools make any work a snap. Hold pieces together. Tap. I is for imagination. Imagination is an important tool. Dream it, draw it, and make it cool. Gather paper, pen, and ink. Use our brains to think. J is for jigsaw. Jigsaw creates a nighttime scene to put above us when we dream. It cuts a straight or curvy line. These stars and moon look fine. K is for knee pads. Knee pads protect us from bumps and knocks on rough ground covered with stones and rocks. Building is tough on a worker's knees. If kneeling, wear them, please. L is for level. Levels are handy and can't be beat for making sure steps are plumb and neat. If the lines don't frame the bubble, we'll have trouble. M is for mixer. Mixer, back up. It's your turn. Water, cement, spin and churn. Twirl around. We need lots more. Open your chute and pour. I'm going to read that page one more time. M is for mixer. Mixer, back up. It's your turn. Water, cement, spin and churn. Twirl around. We need lots more. Open your chute and pour. The chute is that opening hole. And I wasn't saying it right, but that's a chute. N is for nuts and bolts. Nuts and bolts connect big things. Metal eye screws and tire swings. A slide is also on the list. Grab a wrench and twist, twist, twist. There they are, the screw and nut bolts. You probably have some of those on your swing set, August. I bet Daddy put them on your slide and your swings. O is for orange cones. Orange cones are carefully placed out on several spots around the lawn. They warn drivers to beware. Mom's roses are there and there and there. Does Mom want her roses to be driven over? No, I don't think so. Would your mom want her roses to be driven over? No, maybe she needs an orange cone. P is for pulley. Pulley lifts are bucket high. Our things go upwards toward the sky. Construction tools and water jug. Pull the rope hard. Tug, tug, tug. Q is for quad axle truck. Quad axle trucks are ideal when heavy loads need extra wheels. Trucks sputter and strain with big cargo. Ease off the gas, driver. Slow, slow, slow. R is for rollers. Rollers make painting a cinch. We need to cover every inch. Also, use a pan and a brush. Careful, do not rush, rush, rush. S is for staple gun. Staple hold things in their places, electrical wires or tall bookcases. There's lots to fasten before we stop. Staple gun loaded. Pop, pop, pop. T is for tape measure. Tape measures help us pick the spot. We must be perfect. We have one shot. Be careful when marking. Be precise. Measure 2 times, then slice, slice, slice. U is for up. Up, up, up the rafter goes. Set it down right on the nose. Careful, we're way off the ground. Hammer it on. Pound, pound, pound. So they're hammering on that rafter, which is a roof. V is for vibrator compactor. Vibrator compactor does the trick. Rattle quickly. Pound every brick. It takes strong hands to operate. Vroom. The sidewalk is straight, straight, straight. W is for wrench. Wrench turns the screws to hold the wood. These new windows are looking good. The edges line up flush and tidy. Remember, lefty-loosey, right tighty, right tight tighty. So if you turn left, you loosen the screw. If you turn right, you tighten. X is for X braces. Like that one, see that big X? X braces help walls stand up stronger. They will make them last much longer. When the foreman is satisfied, bolts the board side to side. So he's a foreman. So when he thinks it looks great, he bolts them side to side. Y is for yard. Yard cleanup time has come. Who helps pick up? Everyone. The job is done when foreman has seen the construction site is clean, clean, clean. Z is for zippers. Zippers close up sleeping bags. Our eyes are droopy and start to sag. We'll enjoy our house up in the trees. Nighty-night, let's catch some Z's. So they're up in their new treehouse that they built with a kitty. So some words are cargo. Cargo is things, heavy items that trucks or other vehicles can carry. Cement is material that is mixed with water to make concrete, and you probably have some cement in your new garage. Crew is a group of people who work on the construction site. Equipment, supplies, tools, and any machinery needed for the construction job. A foreman is the person in charge. Lumber is wooden boards used to build homes and buildings. Plumb means to make everything perfectly straight. Plywood is a strong board made by gluing together many thin sheets of wood. And rafter is parallel beams that support a roof. I learned some things too. How about you? The end.